Hello guys, today's session is about creating chat agent which can reply your queries from Confluence data. So we can use AWS Bedrock service for this. Okay, so before that, let me show you the sample pages which I have created for this demo. So this has the data for the technical data, the project data documents. So these are the sample pages I have created using ChatGPT. Now let's go to the Bedrock service. So AWS Bedrock allows you to use different LLM models as a data source and create agent, play with it. Okay, so first step for this demo is create knowledge base. Create knowledge base with vector store. I will provide some name to this knowledge base. I will use existing role, or I can create new. These are the options which I can use for the data source. Okay, so I can crawl particular site. I can use the folder from the local. I can use Confluence page, Salesforce, SharePoint. Click on next. Here we need to provide name for the data source under Confluence knowledge base. I will keep it as it is. I don't want to change it. We need to provide URL for the Confluence. So yeah, so this is my URL. I provided URL. Here I need to use authentication, so I will use basic authentication. I need to provide secret for the authentication, so AWS secret manager service will use. So here I have already created secret. So for the secret you need to keep in mind that the secret name should start with the Amazon Bedrock hyphen. Okay, otherwise it will not be considered under this particular option. So I have already created secret. So secret, let me retrieve value. Secret key value should be in this format only. So for the username we can use Confluence login username, and for the password we need to use Confluence key. So how do we get the key? Let me show you. Go to the Confluence, manage account, security, API token. So I will create new token, trial -04. This token will be valid until this month end. I will use this key and I'll put it here. So I'm not going to change it. I can keep it or I can change it. Okay, so this is my secret. Copy the ARN of this secret, go to the Bedrock, paste the ARN. Okay, now for knowledge base, what parser strategy I should use? So for the Confluence, Amazon Bedrock default parser is okay. I don't want to go in the detail for that. We'll use the default chunking. It is providing me the good result. Okay, then from the Confluence, which particular pages I need to filter out? So I will filter by space. There are multiple options available. Okay, so I will filter out by space and I will use my space. So basically my pages are under my space. Name is Yogesh. So here I will put name of the space, then next. So now for my Confluence data to store in the vector store, what should be the model I use? So I will be using Titan text embedding model. Okay, so for the vector database I will create a new vector store. Okay, and I will use Amazon OpenSearch serverless. Click next. So you can go through these details. So I think this looks okay. It will take some time. Okay, so my knowledge base got created. This one we have created. So now once this knowledge base is created, so I should click on sync so that it will make API call to Confluence, grab the data and put it into vector store using the embedding model. This will take some time. All right, knowledge base sync is completed. So it took around 15 minutes to sync up this knowledge base and create vector store. Now next step is to create agent. Let's move to agent. So I will click on create agent. I will put the name. I will name it agent01. Create. Okay. So now I will create new role. Okay. I will select model. So I will go with the AWS Nova Lite model. Okay. You can explore different models. Okay. So by default those models are not available here. You need to get those added here. So for that you need to go to the model access, and these are the list of models available on AWS Bedrock. Suppose you want to get a particular model, then you need to click on model access and choose your model, get the access, so that the particular model will be available to you. So these are the models which I have I got the access. Okay, if you want other models, for example Anthropic Claude model, Coil, Meta models, so those will be available. Okay, now going back to the agent. Now I will again choose this Nova Lite model. Okay, apply. Now I need to provide instruction to this model. Okay, so I will provide some basic instruction. Retrieve data from knowledge base, always reply with points, add Confluence link if possible. Code interpreter I need, user input enabled. I don't want to go with the KMS related details now. I don't want memory. I will add knowledge base here. So before adding knowledge base, I think I need to save this agent first, otherwise it will not allow me. Let's save this agent. Alright, so now let's add knowledge base. So I will choose my knowledge base as Confluence knowledge base. Then if you want, I can provide instructions, but for Confluence I think instruction is not needed. I have already provided instructions to agent. Okay, save this, then click on prepare. Okay, so my agent is now ready, so I can just try with this. So let's save and exit and then open it. I remember one thing, that we need to create one alias. So basically alias is a set of configuration that we have added for the agent, so that we can keep playing on the agents with a different configuration, and if you want to revert back to the previous configuration, you can choose the alias. I will keep the name alias01, create alias. Okay, so my this alias is created. Now I will click on prepare. So now my agent is running with the knowledge base on the Confluence and with the LLM model as AWS Nova Lite. I can ask any query from Confluence. Okay, I can see that I got the reply for my query. So this means this agent is working fine. Now if I want to get the proper UI for this, so and you want to play with this, so I have one UI from Python Streamlit. I will share this GitHub link with you. You need to clone this repository. So basically in this Streamlit UI, you need to configure the Bedrock agent ID and alias ID, and you should have AWS access. Let's run it on local. So I have cloned this already on my local. Go back to the agent, then agent01. This is my agent ID. Then go back to the alias. This is my alias ID. Okay, now going to the terminal. This is my script, start server.sh, right? So let's run it. Okay, so this is the UI, localhost 8080. Okay, so here I can ask any query and I will get the reply from Confluence. So I will first go through the Confluence. Okay, so let's open this page. Now you can see on this page I have these nodes and IP. This is some sample data I generated on ChatGPT. Okay, so based on that I will ask the questions. Okay, what are list of nodes and their IPs? So it has replied me these are node alpha along with their IP address. So if you can check in the Confluence, you will get these details. These are the nodes, right? So from all these three Confluence, it has provided me the details of this. Next question is, what is the IP address of node alpha? This is the IP address from Confluence. Now let's ask some other questions. Okay, next question is about steps to survive Mondays. Let me ask this question. Here I got the reply. Okay, so from my observation, sometimes what happens, so we don't get the expected reply. So you can play with the different models like Nova Micro. You can try. If you want better result, then you can try with the open source models from Meta or Entropy. Those provides good results, but the thing is that you need to check on the cost side also. So you can go with the AWS pricing details for the every models per 1000 tokens and choose the best model for you and play with it. That's all. Thank you.